You are in the center of the first room. There is a black cube. Yes, we would like you to move the curtain and enter, alone. You cannot move too far away from the images you are surrounded with. You are inside the intimate world of Santo Joachim.
It's hard to talk about it now because I'm not accustomed to talk about personal issues. My family was formed by vertical social structure. The children didn't talk to their parents as a family member, but it was like talking to a respected figure. Every child has their own nanny, so we didn't recognize our parents personally. Since then, I mostly talk to inanimate objects and animals, so we start to become our own community. After the incident and my mother's memories are slowly fading away, I realized that the relationship between a child and a mother is very important. It also greatly influences so many aspects as a healthy human being. I would like to tell you a story about detachment, trauma, and shattered memories.
Bravery in documentary photography is often misunderstood. To document the war, yes, but much harder it is to dive into depths of one's own life, one's own being, and to document that journey. Joyo takes broken archive negatives, broken pieces. He gently labors and connects them together. His mastery is not kintsugi, connecting broken porcelain with the gold, but the oldest photographic technique, the cyanotype. Instead of gold, he uses sunlight on aquarelle paper. His porcelain pieces are of his own heart and those of innocent creatures in the dog shelter that he photographed and identified with. And he shares his mastery of dedication and patience. He teaches darkroom techniques. This ability to labor inside oneself, to embrace pain, and to transform it into something profoundly beautiful that communicates with each one of us is the art of documentary. That is the real bravery.